Hi there, I'm Lucy Jennings. Do you want to learn to weave but just not sure where to get started?
I can get you started with what you've got on hand. And if you're like me, you've got a stash of fabrics. We'll be cutting and tearing cloth into strips to weave with. I'll show you how to transform old clothes into hand-woven works of art. You'll learn the basic weaving skills in these projects, starting with upcycling jars to easy framed works of art to tapestry techniques. And along the way, I'll show you how to add buttons and beads for embellishments.
I'll introduce you to 3 simple looms that are good for beginners. You can turn one of the books you have just lying around the house into a loom. We'll also use my Lucy loom. It's a nice little portable loom that you can just slip into your purse.
And I'll show you how to use a simple frame loom. Don't think you have to buy any loom to go through this course. Your book loom will work fine, or any frame loom you might already have. I want to help you explore your creativity through fabric weaving. Enroll now, and I'll be seeing you inside the course.